So today I'll be teaching you on how to use the Moss software during tournament matches. First, head over to nohope.eu website and download the zip file. After downloading, extract the zip file with the password Moss. After extraction, run the Moss software and wait a few seconds. Then go to File and select Parameters. After that, select Rainbow Six Siege and hit OK. When the tournament admins of Grid Gaming tell everyone to start the Moss, you gotta select Start from the Capture section. After finishing the match, open the Moss window and select Stop from the Capture section. You have to wait a few seconds to create a zip file in your desktop. The file will be available inside a newly created folder called Moss in your desktop. You have to submit the zip file in Grid Gaming's Discord text channel called Moss Upload. And that's it. That's how you use Moss in tournament matches.